Question number 176. Choose the option that correctly identifies the chemical nature of given drug. And the options are morphine, marijuana, hashish and cocaine. And the correct answer to this question is option number 1, morphine. This given chemical structure represents opiate, narcotic drug, morphine. Whereas rest of the options, marijuana and hashish are the incorrect options because these are hallucinogen, and the last option is cocaine, and this is an incorrect option because cocaine is a stimulant. Whereas given structure represents opiate narcotic drug called morphine. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 177. Select the incorrect statement, and the very first statement is agarose is most commonly used matrix in gel electrophoresis for nucleic acids, and as it is a correct statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because agarose gel electrophoresis is used for separating DNA fragments. DNA is a nucleic acid. The next statement is spooling is the cutting out of separated DNA bands from gel piece, and as it is an incorrect statement, so this is a correct answer to our question because cutting out of separated DNA bands from gel piece is known as illusion and not spooling. The next statement given is PCR is used for in vitro synthesis of DNA of interest, and as it is also a correct statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because PCR is used for the amplification of DNA of interest. The last statement is infection of A. tumefaciens in dicot plants can cause crown gall disease, and as it is also a correct statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Infection by this bacterium called Agrobacterium tumefaciens in dicot plants can cause crown gall disease. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 178. Select the 2 core techniques that enabled birth of modern biotechnology, and the options are genetic engineering and bioprocess engineering, genetic engineering and biolistics, chemical engineering and biopiracy, downstream processing and bioprocess engineering. This is a direct question from your NCERT book, and the correct answer to this question is option number 1, genetic engineering and bioprocess engineering are the 2 core techniques that enable birth of modern biotechnology. Let's discuss rest of the options. The second option is genetic engineering. Yes, it's a core technique, and biolistics, and this cannot be a correct answer because biolistics is a part of RDT which is used to transfer foreign DNA into host cell. The next option is chemical engineering and biopiracy, and this cannot be a correct answer because biopiracy is practice of commercially exploiting naturally occurring biochemical or genetic material, especially for obtaining patents without the permission of owner that restricts its future use. And the last option is downstream processing and bioprocess engineering, and this cannot be a correct answer because downstream processing involves separation, purification and packaging of desired product. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 179. Choose the nematode which infects the roots of tobacco plants, causing a great reduction in yield. And the options are A. tumefaciens, M. incognita, S. typhimurium and B. thuringiensis. And the correct answer to this question is option number 2, M. incognita. Because M. incognita or Meladogini incognita is a nematode which infects the roots of tobacco plant. Let's discuss rest of the options. Very first option, Agrobacterium tumefaciens cannot be a correct answer. Salmonella typhimurium cannot be a correct answer. And Bacillus thuringiensis cannot be a correct answer because these are bacteria. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 180. Mule is the cross between blank and blank. Select the option which fills the blanks correctly. And the options are male donkey and female donkey, stallion and mare, male donkey and female horse, female donkey and male horse. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Mule is the cross between male donkey and female horse because mule is a result of interspecific hybridization. in which male and female animals of two different species are mated. Mule is a cross between male donkey and female horse. So the correct answer is option number 3. First option is male donkey and female donkey, and this cannot be a correct answer because mule is a cross between male donkey and female horse. Next option is stallion is male horse and mare is female horse, and this cannot be a correct answer. And the last option is female donkey and male horse, and this is also an incorrect option. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. So with this question, I would like to end up the discussion of this AIATS paper. I hope all your doubts and queries have been solved regarding this paper. Thank you very much for watching and all the best.